Hola clase. Hoy es martes. Feliz martes. Y aquí en Wendell hace frío y está nublado. Bueno, es que I was thinking about you guys. I was thinking about you all because I just was appreciating you because doing this online school thing cannot be easy. It's not easy. It is just not easy. It's no joke. And so I was thinking to myself, how can I make Spanish class just a little bit more approachable, a little easier? How can I help people dig in a little bit deeper so that they can actually make the most of their Spanish class experience. And so I made you guys this really fun, exciting way to engage in Spanish. And a lot of it's just a reminder from how we started the year, but some of it might be new. So it says, Senya, how do I show engagement in a Zoom class? Well, friends, you must listen with enthusiasm. Pretend that everything that I am saying is the most exciting, interesting, surprising, sad thing you've ever heard in your entire life. This is also true of whoever is speaking or telling a story. You engage, you make it exciting. When you do that, you actually make some kind of spark in your brain that almost tricks you into thinking that what you're hearing is exciting, and then it will improve your language experience because you're more engaged in it because you're interested. Some more. Even if you have your camera off, you guys, you can involve yourselves in these strategies. These strategies are ways that you're going to increase your fluency and the ways that you're actually going to become aware of what's going on in class. So much of the time I hear, but I don't know what's going on in class. I don't understand what's happening. These strategies are aimed at that, for you to actually begin to understand what's happening. You have to engage in the content. You have to engage in what's going on. And the class is about you. It's about all of you. So the more that you engage and the more that you draw yourselves in, the more Spanish you're actually going to learn and get out of it. So when I say, tengo un secreto, I have a secret, you lean into the screen like you're listening for a secret. When I say de repente, you say boom, because that's fun. And you can even unmute and say that while your camera's off. Okay. When I say que, you say que what? And you can snap your fingers, or you can make some other grand gesture like que, whatever. When I say quien, which means who, you say who, who. You hoot like an owl. When I say donde, you say donde where, because that's fun. When I say pero, you say but, pero, but, pero, but. When you do not know what I am saying, either your camera is on and you make the whoosh, that's ideal, the whoosh action over your head. If your camera is off, you type a question mark into the chat to show me, one, hey, I'm engaged. I'm trying to understand what you're saying. Two, I don't. Okay? So you actually have to show that engagement. You have to show that you're trying to understand. And then you shall understand. Okay. When I say, tengo una pregunta, I have a question, you scratch your pretend beard. When I demonstrate an action for a new verb, so if I say like, okay, clase come, you all have to do it. You have to do it because that is how you're connecting your brain to your body. Your body is your brain, is all connecting, right? But you've got the kinesthetic with this new word, and you're trying to relate the two, right? So you're thinking it's a strategy. It's a strategy for learning the word. Try it. If you just keep saying, I don't know what's going on, try the strategy. And this strategy will no doubt improve your experience in the class and will also improve your comprehension, in turn allowing you to do the work that you must do. Yes. Okay, when I say la clase se levanta, you get up. And you follow the instructions from there. Sometimes we'll get up and we'll climb a tree, or sometimes we'll get up and then we'll touch our toes, and then we'll reach up high and stretch to the right and to the left, and we'll do all sorts of things. All driven toward language learning, and also driven toward kind of breaking it up a little bit and getting you off screen. Okay, everybody, thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching.